1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now I will explain about the reason sing a song Hickory Dickory Dock. Actually, there are 3 reasons. First, how to tell about the time to our children, and the second one is how to read and understand about the time, and the third one is enhance language development for our children to know about the movement such as down, up, and more movement in this song. Okay, let's practice with this song. Hope you all enjoy with this, and see you again. Bye bye.